Are you worried that managing your kidney health means endless hours in the kitchen, preparing bland, complicated meals? Many people mistakenly believe that eating kidney-friendly requires extensive cooking, leaving them feeling overwhelmed and limited. But what if nourishing your kidneys could be both incredibly easy and deliciously simple, without ever turning on the stove? This article will reveal the top 7 no-cook foods that effortlessly support kidney function, helping to minimize unwanted mineral buildup and making healthy eating an enjoyable part of your daily life. You'll also find practical tips for seamlessly integrating these powerhouse foods into your routine. Number 1, bell peppers. When it comes to safeguarding kidney health, bell peppers are an absolute superstar, especially their vibrant red variety. These crisp, colorful vegetables are remarkably high in essential vitamins like A and C, yet they remain wonderfully low in potassium, a mineral often limited in kidney-friendly diets. This unique nutritional profile makes them a safe and beneficial choice for those looking to support their kidneys without compromise. Beyond their vitamin content, bell peppers are a treasure trove of potent antioxidants. These powerful compounds actively work to combat inflammation throughout the body, a crucial benefit given that chronic inflammation can contribute to kidney damage over time. Including bell peppers in your diet provides a natural defense mechanism, helping to protect delicate kidney tissues from oxidative stress. The versatility of bell peppers makes them incredibly easy to incorporate into your no-cook meal plan. You can enjoy them raw, adding a delightful crunch and burst of color to your favorite salads. Sliced bell peppers also make fantastic, refreshing snacks on their own, offering a satisfying bite without any preparation. Their natural sweetness and vibrant appeal mean they can elevate almost any cold dish. Next, let's explore a fruit that's equally easy to enjoy and beneficial for your kidneys. Number 2, apples. Apples are truly a staple in kidney-friendly eating, prized for their simplicity and impressive health benefits. They are naturally low in potassium, making them an excellent choice for individuals who need to monitor their mineral intake carefully. Moreover, apples are a rich source of dietary fiber, which is vital for digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels, indirectly supporting overall kidney function. The fiber in apples contributes significantly to a healthy digestive system, promoting regularity and aiding in the absorption of nutrients. Beyond fiber, apples also contain anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce systemic inflammation that can be detrimental to kidney health. This makes them a gentle yet effective way to add beneficial compounds to your daily diet. Incorporating apples into your no-cook routine is delightfully easy. They serve as a perfect portable snack on their own, offering natural sweetness and a satisfying crunch. Sliced apples can also be a wonderful addition to cold salads, providing a refreshing contrast in texture and flavor. Their natural sweetness can even help curb cravings for less healthy, processed sweets. Now, let's dive into another berry that packs a mighty antioxidant punch. Number 3, blueberries. Blueberries are tiny powerhouses when it comes to kidney health, offering an impressive array of benefits in a small package. These delicious berries are brimming with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their distinctive blue hue and potent protective properties. They are also rich in beneficial phytonutrients, all while being remarkably low in both sodium and potassium, making them an ideal choice for a kidney-friendly diet. The abundance of antioxidants in blueberries plays a critical role in protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This cellular protection is essential for maintaining the health and integrity of kidney cells, helping to prevent age-related decline and disease. Furthermore, the compounds in blueberries are known to promote cardiovascular health, which is closely linked to kidney function, as healthy blood flow is vital for kidney efficiency. Adding blueberries to your daily meals is incredibly simple. They can be enjoyed fresh, scattered generously over your morning oatmeal, or mixed into a bowl of plain yogurt for a nutritious breakfast or snack. Of course, they are also delicious, eaten on their own as a quick, refreshing, and naturally sweet treat. Up next, we'll uncover another beneficial berry, particularly known for its impact on urinary health. Number 4, cranberries. Cranberries are widely celebrated for their distinct tart flavor and their significant contributions to health, especially for those mindful of their kidney and urinary well-being. These vibrant red berries are notably low in potassium, making them a safe and suitable inclusion for kidney-friendly dietary plans. Their most prominent benefit lies in their ability to support the health of the urinary tract. The unique compounds found in cranberries, particularly proanthocyanidins, PACs, are well known for their ability to help prevent certain bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract. This action can significantly reduce the risk of urinary infections, which can sometimes pose challenges for individuals managing kidney health. Beyond this, cranberries also possess anti-inflammatory properties, contributing to overall well-being. Integrating cranberries into your no-cook meals is straightforward and offers a refreshing burst of flavor. You can enjoy them fresh, either as a tangy snack or finely chopped and added to salads for a vibrant twist. Opting for unsweetened cranberry juice is another excellent way to harness their benefits. Just be sure to choose varieties without added sugars to keep it kidney-friendly. Our next no-cook superstar is a leafy green with an impressive nutritional profile. Number 5, arugula. Arugula, with its distinctive peppery bite, is much more than just a flavorful addition to your plate. It's a nutritional powerhouse for kidney health. This leafy green is incredibly dense in vital nutrients, providing a generous supply of vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. It also offers significant amounts of calcium and manganese, crucial minerals for overall body function. What makes arugula particularly outstanding for kidney-friendly diets is its extremely low potassium content, making it an ideal choice for those needing to limit this mineral. Beyond this, the rich nutrient profile of arugula supports robust bone health, a common concern for individuals with kidney conditions, and contributes to a strong immune system, helping the body defend against illness. Arugula's crisp texture and bold flavor make it a perfect ingredient for a variety of no-cook dishes. It can be used as the base for vibrant, fresh salads, offering a more exciting alternative to traditional lettuce. You can also layer fresh arugula into sandwiches or wraps, adding a healthy crunch and a unique flavor dimension. Next, let's explore a common kitchen staple that adds flavor without salt while boosting your gut health. Number 6, onions. Onions are a remarkably versatile and beneficial no-cook food, especially for those focusing on kidney health. They are naturally low in both potassium and sodium, two minerals often restricted in kidney-friendly diets. Their distinct, pungent flavor provides an excellent way to add depth and excitement to meals without relying on extra salt, a crucial factor for managing blood pressure and kidney function. Beyond their low mineral content, onions are packed with beneficial antioxidants, including quercetin, which helps protect cells from damage and reduces inflammation. They also contain prebiotic fibers, which are essential for nurturing a healthy gut microbiome. A thriving gut contributes to overall health, indirectly supporting the body's systems, including the kidneys. Incorporating raw onions into your no-cook dishes is simple and enhances flavor significantly. Thinly sliced or finely diced, they can be a crunchy, flavorful addition to a wide variety of salads, from green salads to bean salads. They also make an excellent topping for wraps, sandwiches, or even as a garnish for cold soups, adding a desirable bite and aromatic essence. Get ready to discover tiny seeds that deliver a massive nutritional punch. Number 7. Flax and chia seeds. Flax and chia seeds, though small in size, are giants in terms of their nutritional benefits, making them exceptional no-cook additions for supporting kidney health. Both types of seeds are rich in dietary fiber, which is crucial for digestive regularity and can help manage blood sugar levels. They are also outstanding sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly the plant-based alpha-linolenic acid ALA, and provide a good amount of plant protein. The omega-3 fatty acids found in these seeds are renowned for their heart-healthy benefits, contributing to reduced inflammation and improved cardiovascular function. Since heart health is intricately linked to kidney health, supporting one naturally benefits the other. The fiber content also assists in maintaining stable blood sugar, a key consideration for individuals with diabetes who are at higher risk for kidney issues. Integrating flax and chia seeds into your daily diet is incredibly easy due to their mild flavor and ability to blend seamlessly into various dishes. You can add them to your morning smoothies for an extra boost of fiber and healthy fats, or sprinkle them over oatmeal, yogurt, or cold cereals. They also make an excellent, almost undetectable addition when sprinkled over salads, quietly enhancing their nutritional value. Why choosing no-cook foods matters. Embracing no-cook foods offers a powerful advantage for kidney health by significantly minimizing your exposure to ultra-processed foods. These highly modified products often contain excessive amounts of sodium, phosphorus, and unhealthy fats, which can place undue strain on the kidneys and contribute to chronic conditions. By opting for whole, fresh, no-cook ingredients, you naturally avoid these detrimental additives. Furthermore, choosing no-cook options brings unparalleled convenience, allowing you to prepare nutritious meals quickly and effortlessly without compromising on the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your kidneys need. Kidney-friendly eating basics. When managing kidney health through diet, it is fundamentally important to be mindful of certain minerals. Minimizing potassium, phosphorus, and sodium intake is often a cornerstone of kidney-friendly eating, as these can build up in the body when kidney function is impaired. However, it is crucial to understand that individual nutritional needs can vary significantly, especially for those with coexisting conditions like diabetes, which directly impact dietary recommendations. Therefore, always consulting a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for tailored guidance is paramount to ensure your eating plan is safe and effective for your specific health requirements. Tips for building a no-cook kidney-friendly meal. Creating satisfying and safe no-cook meals for kidney health is simple with a few smart strategies. Begin by combining a variety of the no-cook foods discussed, ensuring you get a broad spectrum of nutrients and flavors. For example, a salad could feature arugula, bell peppers, and sliced apples, topped with a sprinkle of chia seeds. Pay close attention to portion control, as even healthy foods in excessive amounts can impact your daily mineral limits. Focus on appropriate combinations that provide a balance of fiber, healthy fats, and low-potassium protein sources for a truly satisfying and kidney-supportive meal. Supporting your kidney health doesn't have to be a daunting task, filled with complicated recipes or endless cooking. By thoughtfully including these nutrient-rich, no-cook foods in your daily eating plan, you can effortlessly nourish your kidneys and contribute significantly to your overall well-being. With these simple additions, you'll find that taking care of your kidneys truly requires no stove or oven at all. Found this list of easy, no-cook, kidney-friendly foods helpful? We encourage you to share it with friends and family who are managing their kidney health so they can benefit too. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple wellness tips that make healthy living easier. Or leave a comment below with your favorite no-cook, kidney-friendly snacks. We'd love to hear from you.